30th question, which of the following oxide is nitrogen isoelectronic with CO2? CO2 is number of electrons, carbon atomic number 6, oxygen 8, 2 into 8, 2 into 8, how much it is? 6 plus 16, then 20, 22 electrons. Here nitrogen 7, 7 plus 2 into 8, how much? 16. How much it is? 23. Here 2 into 7, 14 plus 8. 14 plus 8 how much, Amma? 14 plus 18, 8. So 22. NO. 7 plus 8, how much it is? 15. N2O2. Actually N2O2, how much it is? 14 plus 16. How much it is? 30. So isoelectronic with what? Answer is, option is Bombay. Here 22 are there, here 22 are there. So answer is Bombay. Children, next question. The ratio between the neutrons C and silicon. Carbon is C, silicon. Then respect to the atomic mass of 12 and 28. Carbon mass 12, then atomic number 6. Silicon 14, mass is 28. Here mass is given. Okay, now 6 protons, 6 electrons. Neutrons, 6 neutrons. Here 14 protons, 14 electrons, 14 neutrons, because 28 minus 14, 28 minus 14. So I want to get what? The ratio between the neutrons only. Neutrons here how many? 6. Here how many? 14. So ratio 6 is to 14. Simple ratio 3 is to 7. So answer is simple ratio C, option. 31 question is answer is 31 question answer is C. Children, let's go to the next question. The atomic number is always equal to the atomic number of an element is equal to the answer is what? Electrical charge, that is positive charge of the nucleus. So D option. Direct question according to the definition. Which of the following is isoelectronic with the carbon atom? Carbon is 6, proton electrons 6 electrons. Here sodium 11, 11 minus 1, 10, 10 electrons here. Next, let's go to the next question. Aluminium also atomic number 13, electrons 10, because plus 3 is there, so 10. Oxygen 8, 2 electrons should add, so 8. Nitrogen 7, plus is there, remove 1 electron, so 6 electrons. So 6 electrons this is. Answer is here 6, here 6. So option is Delhi, D. Children, okay na? Question number 34. CO2 gas is isoelectronic with this is CO2. CO2 means what? CO2, carbon atomic number 6, oxygen 8, total 2 oxygens 16, so 22. Okay, SnCl2 given. Isostructural, this question is out of the concept, no need to discuss this about this question. So leave this question, I will give you one more question instead of this. Okay na? Simple question only I will give according to isotopes or isobars I will give you. So simply instead of this you write this question, 1H1 comma 1H2 comma 1H3, 1H1 comma 1H2 comma 1H3. This is belongs to what? Question is 1H1 isotopes of hydrogen given, isotopes of hydrogen given 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. So first option is A. Question number 34 this is. I am removing this question. Okay. So what is isotopes? First option is isotopes according to the key. I will check this option. I am taking isotopes A. Next second one is B option is B option, and here A option this is. Isotopes, this is iso bar. C option isotones, isotones. D option is isodiaphers, isodiaphers. So answer is what, Amma? Now answer is A, isotopes. This type of questions I will give in exam. So this is 34th question. I changed 34th question. So instead of that I have written this. Okay. So option is isotopes. The hydride is nothing but what? Hydride, question H minus. H means atomic number is 1, minus means 1 electron. So 1 plus 1, how much it is? 2 electrons. Okay, na 2 electrons. Then so lithium, how much atomic number is 3? So 3 electrons. Helium atomic number is 2, but remove 1 electron. So 1. Helium 2. Beryllium 4. Electrons also 4. So answer is H minus. Hydride is isoelectronic with what? Answer helium. Answer is C option. Then element has electronic configuration 2, 8, 18, 1. If the atomic weight is 63, then how many neutrons will be? So first you write X element given. That element we don't know that. According to the electronic configuration, this is shell method electronic configuration. Shell method. Everyone, I'll teach you. Remember, I'll teach you shell method electronic configurations and NLX method electronic configurations. Without know the shell method electronic configuration, without know the NLX method electronic configuration, you can't do these questions. Okay, so I am taking 2, 8, 18, 1. 2, 8, 18, 1. So 2, 8, 18, 1. So you can say the atomic number of that element. Children, so 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 18, 28. 28 plus 1, 29. So that X element is 29. That is copper only. So copper. So copper is how much? 29. But here what is given? Atomic weight 63 given. He is asking what? Neutrons. Here 29, here 63. 63 minus 29. 63 minus 29, how much it is? So if I add here 29, this will become 59. This is wrong. So 32. 32 plus if you add 29, then you will get what? 161 we are getting. Here 34. 29 if you add, how much it is? 3 plus 63 here. So here 63 minus 29 is how much it is? 34. So C option is correct. Write the electronic configuration 29 and mass number also given. Mass number is nothing but atomic mass only 63. 63 minus 29, how much it is? Answer is 34. So 37th question over. Next, the nucleus of the element. This is given E2145. So 21 protons, 21 electrons. Neutrons how much? How to find out? 45 minus 21. How much it is? 24. So 24 neutrons. Protons, 21 protons. 21 protons, these two options are there. Next, 24 neutrons. This is the correct option. Option B. Okay, let's go to the next question. Neutrons are found in the atoms of all elements except what are neutrons? So neutrons are found in all elements. You can find out the chlorine, you can find out the oxygen, you can find out the argon, but hydrogen you can't find out. In which case, 1 H1 protium, 1 H2 deuterium, 1 H3 tritium. If this protium 1 minus 1, so there is no neutrons in the isotope, one of the isotope of hydrogen. One of the isotope of hydrogen. There is no neutrons because that is a protium. Isotopes of hydrogen. Protium. Okay. So 1 minus 1. So 0 answer. Right. This is about the question number 39. Let's go to the mass number of an electron is x minus 3 given. X 3 minus or minus 3? X 3 minus. X means we don't know that X is. So here there are 10 electrons according to the 10 electrons. This so 7 plus 3, then you will get 10 electrons only. He is given what is given, you know, this implies we don't know that X element. Plus 3, then you will get 10 electrons. Compulsory that X is 7 electrons. 7 electrons only. So 7 electrons, what is that element? He is asking that element is what? C option. The element will be, element is what? Nitrogen only. So N3 minus. So option is what, Amma? Third option, C. Let's go to the next. Which one of the following isoelectronic species? So already repeat same question only. Roman letter 1 I am taking. CH3 plus. This is already repeated question. Similar question only. So carbon atomic number 6. Carbon atomic number 6. Hydrogens 1. So total 3. Plus is there. So minus 1. So then how much it is? 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1. 8. Next, Roman letter 2. NH2. 7 plus 2. How much it is? 9. Third one. NH4 plus. So 7 plus 4 minus 1. 11 minus 1. How much it is? 10 electrons. So next NH3. NH3. 7 plus 3. 10 electrons. So which is the isoelectronic species? Third one, fourth one. Third, fourth, where it is? 6 plus 3 minus 1, 8. So answer is 3, 4. 3, 4 answer is not there. Here this bond also if you consider means how much? 11. 3, 4. So 2, second one 2, 7 plus 2. How much it is? 9 only coming. This question little wrong. So let us see this question. Option Bombay, if answer is what? Let us see. Here according to this only given data, this is only correct, but answer we will change this Roman letter 2, remove this one. Option is 3, 4 only correct. In which question, in which option suitable to the given data? So 3, 4 only one option is there. So option is Bombay only, but 2 remove. Okay. In that case 2 remove. So the charge on the atom containing 17 protons, 18 neutrons and 18 electrons given. The charge is asking 17 protons, 18 electrons, neutrons 18 neutrons. So the difference is how much here? 1 is the difference. Which are more? Electrons are more. That X is showing minus 1. So option is C option. Okay na? Right. So this is about Question number 42. So let's go to the next question. The number of unpaired electrons in a gas. The number of unpaired electrons in a gas. So answer is what now? Inert gas is what? Helium is a inert gas. But in that unpaired electrons is asking. Unpaired electrons. Number of unpaired electrons in inert gas. Is there any inert gas is having unpaired electrons? No. All those are completely filled only. Helium, atomic number 2. Helium 2, 1s2 will write. This is 1s2. Neon, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. All are completely filled only. S electrons 2, p electrons 6 completely filled. Next, argon 18. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. All electrons are completely filled only. So answer is A. 43 answer is A. In a neutral atom, which particle is equivalent? So two particles are equal. What are those? What is the answer? Electron is equal to proton. Electrons to protons equal. Electron is equal to proton. Okay. Electrons to protons are equal in a neutral atom. Neutral atom, the particles are equivalent. Electrons equal to protons. That is answer number. Answer 44th answer is C. Next, nuclei tend to have more electrons than protons. More neutrons than protons. Answer is C. Nuclei tend to have more neutrons and than protons at high mass number. Let us see. More neutrons in which case? So answer is what here? Bombay. Because neutrons have more mass than protons. Then only this nuclei tend have more neutrons than protons because and at a high mass number, because neutrons more means mass also more. So let's go to the next question. So which of the following is not isoelectronic? Is not, this word is important. చిల్డ్రన్ ప్రతిది కూడా మీరు ఒకసారి క్వశ్చన్ కరెక్టే చదవండి. వాడు కరెక్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ అడుగుతున్నాడా లేదా ఇన్కరెక్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ అడుగుతున్నాడా? ఆన్సర్ విచ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ అడుగుతున్నాడా, విచ్ ఈజ్ ఐసో ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ అడుగుతున్నాడా అని క్వశ్చన్ కరెక్ట్గా చదవాలి. క్వశ్చన్ కరెక్ట్గా చదవకుండా డైరెక్ట్గా ఆన్సర్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతే నీకు ఆన్సర్ రాదు. రైట్. సో విచ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఐసో ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ విత్ O2 మైనస్. O2 మైనస్ అమ్మా. So O2 minus means what? Atomic number 8. Minus 2 means what? 2 electrons. 8 plus 2, 10 electrons. Next, N3 minus given. Option A I am telling. 7 plus 3, 10 electrons. So isoelectronic with this is. Isoelectronic correct only. 10 electrons. F minus means what? 9 plus 1, so 10 electrons. This is possible, but he is asking not. So thallium atomic number is very high because that is a boron family. Boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. So thallium is here. The atomic number is more and mass number also more. Not 10 electrons, not 10 electrons. So first option wrong, second option wrong, third option is correct. So sodium here C1s. Sodium also 10 electrons. So which is not correct? C option. Because this is the third A group elements. This is third A group elements. Boron atomic number 5. This is 13. So this thallium is more than the 10 electrons only. Aluminum only more than 10 electrons. So the remaining all are equal only, isoelectronic only. First option 10, second option 10, fourth option also 10, but third option C option is more than 10 electrons. Thallium. Because thallium is the third A group element, 13th group element. Third A or 13th group element. So, boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. So, thallium is more. Thallium plus also, one electron, after remove one electron, you will get Tl plus. So, that is more only. So, 46th question over. Let's, that number of electrons in this case, K 19, 40 minus 1 given. So, he is asking number of electrons. Number of electrons, atomic number is 19 means 19 electrons. 19 electrons. Here minus is there. So, 1 electron you should add. Total 20 electrons. So, option is what? Bombay. Option is Bombay. So, this is the 47th question answer. Number of electrons and neutrons of the element 18 and 20. The mass number is how much? I am taking that X element. X element I am taking. Element atomic number is atomic number we don't know. Number of electrons and neutrons, electrons given. Electrons how many? 18 only. So electrons 18 means protons also 18. Electrons also 18. Atomic number 18 I am taking. So next, neutrons how many? Neutrons how many? 20 neutrons. 20 neutrons. Okay now. Mass number, can you say mass number A is equal to what? Protons plus neutrons. Protons how many? 18. Neutrons how many? 20. So how much it is? 38. So this mass number is how much? 38. Mass number is how much? 38. Answer is D option. See the question. What is asking? Question లో ఏం అడుగుతున్నాడు ఒకసారి చూడండి. క్వశ్చన్ లో ఫస్ట్ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? ఎలిమెంట్, ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ అండ్ న్యూట్రాన్స్. క్వశ్చన్ లో ఏమడుగుతున్నాడమ్మా? ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్, న్యూట్రాన్స్ అడుగుతున్నాడు. సో ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఎంత, సారీ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ న్యూట్రాన్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఎంత? 18. నెక్స్ట్ న్యూట్రాన్స్ ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు? 20 ఇచ్చాడు. దెన్ మాస్ నెంబర్ హౌ మచ్? వీ డోంట్ నో. సో if they give electrons means protons also same only. Then neutrons how much it is given? 20. So 2 more neutrons than protons and electrons. So the sum of the protons and neutrons you will get mass number A. Protons and neutrons 18 plus 20. So you will get 38. This is 38. So answer is 38. Option D. Next question. The number of protons, neutrons, electrons. Y given 89 to 31 given. So atomic number 89 means 89 protons, 89 protons, 89 protons. Next 89 electrons and 231 minus 89. 230 neutrons. 231 minus 89. 231 minus 89 is what now? 231 minus 89. So answer is what? So first you see that first is asking protons. Protons how much? 89. 89 where it is cases? In all options 89 is there. So okay, leave it. Next neutrons. Neutrons weighted. Electrons how much? Electrons how much? 89 only. Here 89, here 89, here 89. So maybe that option A or C or D. A, C, D we should check. Now in order to find out that 231 minus 89. So how much you will get here? So here 2. Here 12 is there. 12 means how much? 4. So 142. 142, 89. So answer is 142 where it is? ACD. In this case 231 is there. In this case 71 is there. In this case 140. So option is C. Question number 50. Beryllium is isoelectronic with beryllium atomic number 4. Beryllium atomic number 4. So how many protons? 4 protons. 4 electrons. Okay, next I want to get the electrons only. Beryllium plus 2, then beryllium plus 2, 2 electrons remove, Be plus 2. So here 4 protons, 2 electrons, 4 protons, 4 electrons. Okay, now electrons how much? Beryllium plus 2, 2 electrons. Magnesium atomic number 12, remove 2, 10 electrons. Sodium 11, remove 1 electron, 10 electrons. Lithium 3, remove 1 electron, 2 electrons. H plus, hydrogen 1, remove 1 electron, 0 electrons. So answer is lithium. So option is C. Beryllium is isoelectronic with. So answer is C option. This is about the worksheet 1 from atomic structure. What I taught you in concept, isotopes, isobars, isotones, isodiapers, isosters, what I taught you, నేను ఏదైతే మీకు చెప్పానో క్లియర్గా కాన్సెప్ట్ దాని ప్రకారంగా 50 క్వశ్చన్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేసాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ, హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే.